Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to update your Google Chrome in your computer or in your laptop. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open our Chrome. So in here in the upper right corner, you will be able to see these three dots. Just click that one and then go to help and then click about Google Chrome. So in here, it will automatically check if your Chrome is updated. And then in here in my computer, it's already updated. But then if your Google Chrome is not updated, it will just automatically update itself. So that's just how easy it is to update your Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you. And if you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you.